Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Max subscription, previously known as HBO Max, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop your recurring billing and manage your streaming account effectively. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the Max streaming website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Sign into your Max account using the email address and password you created when you first subscribed to the service. Step 3. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Account Settings. Step 4. In the Account Settings page, locate the Subscription or Billing Information section. This area displays your current subscription plan and billing details. Step 5. Find and click the Cancel Subscription button or link. This option is usually clearly marked and may be labeled as Manage Subscription with a cancel option inside. Step 6. Max will likely ask you to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best describes why you're leaving, or select Other if your reason isn't listed. Step 7. Review any retention offers, such as discounted rates or paused subscriptions, that Max may present. If you still want to cancel, proceed by clicking Continue or Confirm Cancellation. Step 8. Verify that your cancellation was successful by checking for a confirmation email from Max. Your access will typically continue until the end of your current billing cycle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.